For the second day in a row, President Donald Trump met with his national security team here at the White House in the Situation Room on Thursday as they discuss the potential U.S. involvement in the conflict between Iran and Israel. The president has said he wants it to be a last-second decision after telling reporters Wednesday that he gave the ultimate ultimatum to Iran. The meeting held shortly after Vice President J.D. Vance, Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, and CIA Director John Ratcliffe were seen arriving at the West Wing was scheduled as an intelligence briefing. Earlier in the day, Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, while visiting the site of an Iranian missile strike, said he speaks to President Trump almost every day and called him a tremendous friend. Here's what he said when asked about his message to Trump as Trump decides whether to get further involved.
We are committed to destroying the nuclear threat, the threat of a nuclear annihilation against Israel. He gave them the chance to do it through negotiations. They strung him along. You don't string along Donald Trump. He knows the game. And I think that we're both committed to making sure that Iran will not have a nuclear weapon.
Meanwhile, two defense officials say the U.S. has moved assets into place in the Middle East, including planes and ships. Testifying on Capitol Hill, Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth said this about potential plans.
Have you authorized day after planning?
As I've said, we have plans for everything, Senator.
And in the briefing room here at the White House on Thursday, Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt provided a direct quote from President Trump. It says, quote, based on the fact that there's a substantial chance of negotiations that may or may not take place with Iran in the near future, I will make my decision whether or not to go within the next 2 weeks.
El cielo gris de este día parece un reflejo del ánimo de los habitantes de los bajos del Progreso Lloro. Las lluvias recientes han dejado su huella en las calles inundadas y también han sembrado incertidumbre y frustración en quienes vieron cómo el agua arrasaba con sus hogares. Lo que en un principio era solo una molestia pasajera se convirtió en una crisis que obligaba a muchas familias a dejar atrás sus pertenencias y buscar un refugio temporal. Casas que ayer sirvieron como un amparo, hoy son islas rodeadas por un mar turbio. Familias enteras, con la mirada apagada, cruzan el agua con lo poco que pudieron salvar, dejando atrás recuerdos, muebles y la promesa de un hogar seguro. Los niños juegan en charcos que no deberían existir, mientras las madres miran con ojos cansados preguntándose cuándo llegará una solución definitiva. Las promesas se van evaporando más rápido que la lluvia entre los árboles, dejando solo una cruda realidad. De este escenario, las autoridades locales permanecen en alerta máxima monitoreando de manera constante los niveles de los ríos cercanos.